in this episode, I'm going to share why conversions beat out creativity on your photography website and how to increase your conversion rate so you're getting more ideal client inquiries. I'm La, and I'm a boudoir photographer and business and marketing mentor, helping creatives and photographers turn their passion into profits. On this channel, I share tips, tricks, and hacks to having a wildly successful and profitable photography business. The internet has made it so we can share information, products, stories, missions, services, and even our artwork as photographers. The internet is one of the best ways to grow your business as it connects you with a larger and broader audience than ever before. Pre-internet, to get your artwork out there, you had to share it one-on-one or put together a gallery showing. Now, not only can you share your entire portfolio locally 24/7 without having to do a showing, but you can reach a worldwide audience any time of the day. So if your goal as an artist is to just share your beautiful works of art with the world, then a beautiful website with a gallery or portfolio and your information is perfect. But this completely changes when you are a business owner and are creating an income from your passion. Your website now has very specific goals and objectives, if you will. Yes, you still want to share your artwork, but the most important aspect of your website is now to convert visitors into actual paying clients. No longer is creativity and beauty your top priority on your website. Instead, your top priority is conversions and increasing your conversion rate. This is especially critical if you're using paid advertising to drive the right targeted traffic to your website. The higher converting your website, typically the lower CAC you have, or client acquisition cost. I did a video on the importance of your client acquisition cost and how you can track it and how to calculate it. So I'll link that above or below if you want to go watch it. So in order to create a highly converting website, you must understand the psychology and behavior patterns behind how your potential and your ideal clients are using the internet and how they're using websites to find information and make decisions or purchases. Yes, I know when you decided to do photography as a business, you didn't realize how many things that you were gonna have to find out and figure out and be an expert in just to do what you love. One of those tips is you actually only have 5.2 seconds to capture someone's attention when they land on your website. So your website speed and your load speed and the above the fold is really critical. You have to be hyper aware of what your potential clients' fears and objections are so that you can address them. And the best way to actually do this is through your #1 free marketing asset, which is client testimonials. You also have to understand that people get distracted or interrupted every 40 seconds on their computers or mobile devices. So limited information on your website that leads them to contacting you or inquiring is really imperative. You also have to realize that every 8 in 10 or 80% of people that are visiting your website only skim the headlines and they don't actually read the copy. So keep your copy to a minimum. How can we expect our potential clients to understand why they should choose us to be their photographer or expect them to make an informed decision without being educated first? This is why we have to convert them into an inquiry as quickly as possible on our website so that we can have a personalized conversation with them. You also must know that your mobile website is king or queen or Khaleesi. Sorry, I've been rewatching Game of Thrones in preparation for the last season that's coming up. Any Game of Thrones fans out there? Okay, back on topic. Broad stats for all internet users say that mobile traffic is around 52.2%. But according to our specific photography industry marketing data, we're showing around 90% of traffic is on mobile searching for a photographer. Knowing this helps us understand that it's imperative that our mobile website should be mobile friendly and user friendly. Another important thing that you have to understand is conversions are more important than SEO and having multiple websites that are made specifically for SEO. A one-page website or single landing page will not only load faster and be more user-friendly, but it has been proven to convert way better. I've also found that there is a very specific formula or layout and customer journey that works for photography websites that has a 76% higher conversion rate than most self-designed creative photography websites or even ones designed by professional website designers. The exact layout is too much to go into in this video, but I do offer a two-part online class for photographers called Websites That Convert 103. It's part of my online business trainings or B-School for photographers, and I'll link that website where you can get the details and enroll below if you want help with your website. So if you take anything away from this video, just remember it doesn't matter how many visitors that you get on your website or how much traffic that you're sending to your website unless your website is actually converting that traffic into client inquiries. As always, let me know your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more tips, tricks, and hacks to help you build a profitable photography business. I have videos come out every Monday. I hope to see you guys in the next video.